Hello everybody and welcome back to Kelly Family Adventures. I'm John and we have got another hotel tour for you today at the Premier Inn near Gatwick. It's the old Premier Inn opposite the new one. So let's show you around the family room. It's a little bit messy. We've just landed. We've had a 3.5 hour trip from Doncaster. We had a Paul and Dawn's wedding last night, so I'll show you our room. So this is a family room. Excuse me for all electrics charging. So show you the bathroom first. Nice and clean. Big shower head. Nice deep bathtub, but the boys are going to have a bath in a minute. Sarah's just took them down for something to eat. Big bed. And a little one there for the boys. They're going to top and tail because it is only one night. We haven't got much of a view out of the window. We did think we were in the new one when we came round. Harley got a bit excited because he thought we were going to be able to spot planes on it, but you can't see from here. We're at the back. So, but yeah, that's the room tour. We're flying from Gatwick tomorrow afternoon. We're going to lounge. I wouldn't expect a travel day vlog from us because it's just too hectic at airport with Sarah's disabilities and the two aunties are disabled as well that come with us. Plus you got the boys running around. But we're going into the lounge, airport lounge, because I get 6-3 a year with my bank. And yeah, so next time you'll see us, we'll probably be in Kos doing another room tour. So yeah, we'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave us a comment and let us know. But yeah, we'll catch up with you soon. Goodbye.